Let's continue the part 2 of our lesson 52. Number 5. An air conditioner has a power rating of 1.5 kilowatt and runs for 4 hours daily. Find the total energy consumed in 1 week. So given the power is 1.5 kilowatts, time per day is 4 hours, the number of days 7. So require the total energy consumption. So energy is power times the time times the number of days. Substituting the given data, the final answer is 42 kilowatt hour. Number 6, a washing machine consumes 1.2 kilowatt hour per cycle. If it is used 3 times a week, what is the total energy consumed in a month? 4 weeks. So given energy per cycle, you have 1.2 kilowatt hour, cycle per week, 3, and the number of weeks, 4. The total monthly energy. So the total cycle is equal to the cycle per week multiplied by the week. So you have 12 cycles. So the total energy is equal to energy per cycle multiplied by the number of cycles. And then substitute the given data. Your final answer is 14.4 kilowatt hour. So number 7, calculate the power consumption of a device that operates at 220 volts and draws 3 amperes of current. Given voltage 220 volts, current 3 amperes, power in watts. Use the formula P is equals to V times I. Substitute the given data and the final answer is 660 watts. Number 8. A refrigerator uses 45 kilowatt per month. After replacing it with an energy-efficient model, the consumption reduces to 30 kilowatt hours. Calculate the monthly energy savings. So given the old is 45 kilowatt hour and the new energy consumption is 30 kilowatt hour, required monthly energy savings. So the formula savings is equal to the old energy consumption minus the new energy consumption. Substituting the given data, the final answer is 15 kilowatt hour. So that's the final answer, 15 kilowatt hour saved. Number 9, if a family wants to reduce their monthly electricity bill by 600 by switching to energy-efficient appliances, and the rate is 10 pesos per kilowatt hour, how kilowatts should they save? Given target saving 600 pesos, rate 10 pesos per kilowatt hour, required kilowatt saving. So kilowatt save is equal to the target savings divided by the rate. So the answer is 60 kilowatt hour. Number 10, an electric heater rated 1,500 watts is used for 3 hours a day. How much energy in kilowatt hour does it consume in 10 days? So given power 1,500 watts and converting it to kilowatt, it's 1.5. Time per day, 3 hours. And then the days is 10. Required the energy in kilowatt hour. Use the formula energy is equals to P times T times the number of days. Substitute the given data. The final answer is 45 kilowatt hour. MCQ for lesson 52, how to save energy and how to use electricity wisely. Number 1, What is the simple way to save electricity at home? Letter A, leaving lights on all day. Letter B, using energy efficient light bulbs. Letter C, keeping appliances plugged in when not in use. Letter D, running all appliances at the same time. Number 2, why is it important to turn off appliances when not in use? Letter A, to save energy and reduce electricity bills. Letter B, to reduce the appliance to prevent the appliance from overheating. Letter C, because it makes the room darker. Letter D, to increase the appliance power consumption. Number 3, which appliance generally consumes the most electricity in a household? Letter A, refrigerator. Letter B, television. C, laptop. D, electric fan. Number 4, what does an energy efficient appliance do? Letter A, uses more energy, power to work faster. Letter B, uses less electricity to perform the same task. Letter C, never needs to be turned off. Letter D, always costs less to buy. Number 5, what is phantom load? Letter A, electricity used by devices that are unplugged. Letter B, energy used by appliances when turned off but still plugged in. Letter C, electricity used by gas appliances. Letter D, the power rating of an appliance. Number 6, which habit helps reduce electricity consumption? Letter A, using natural light during the day. Letter B, leaving the TV on when no one is watching. Letter C, using an electric heater all day. Letter D, keeping windows open while using air conditioning. Number 7, what type of light bulb is the most energy efficient? A, incandescent bulb. B, halogen bulb. C, fluorescent tube. D, LED bulb. Number 8, how can insulation in homes help save energy? Letter A, by reducing heat loss or gain, lowering heating and cooling needs. Letter B, by making rooms darker. Letter C, by absorbing electricity. Letter D, by increasing appliance efficiency. Number 9, which of these is not an energy-saving practice? Letter A, turning off lights when leaving a room. Letter B, using energy-efficient appliances. Letter C, leaving chargers plugged in when not charging. Letter D, using a programmable thermostat. Number 10, why should we use electricity wisely? Letter A, to reduce bills and conserve resources. Letter B, to increase energy consumption. Letter C, because electricity is unlimited. Letter D, to make appliances last shorter. Answer key for lesson number 52. Please proceed to lesson 53. And the answer key for lesson 51, energy is valuable, is as follows. Number 1, letter B, it powers modern life and drives economic growth. Number 2, B, energy production can have environmental impacts. Number 3, B, electrical energy. Number 4, B, they have energy content and are easy to transport. Number 5, B, Use energy-efficient technologies and habits. Number 6, C, solar. Number 7, B, using the least amount of energy to achieve the same output. Number 8, C, solar power. Number 9, A, GDP growth. Number 10, A, it is unlimited and reduces environmental impact. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. Bye-bye. See you in our next lesson. Thank you, everyone.